original jack for the truck and breaker bar, and it does work. Got a big old bar there to wind her up. Big fancy. It's the little details. That bad boy is restored. Looking pretty. Gonna match the truck well. Gonna sit right there. Ooh. Real Steel Fabrications here. Today we're gonna get the hood on this bad boy here. As you can see, got the original jack in there and the breaker bar. Beautiful. Alright, so we decided to put the hinges on there first because this one, the backside didn't have a nut. So I had to fish my hand up in there, back in there to get that on there. Hopefully we don't have to do too much adjustments to the hood here because they had about 18,000 shims when we took it off. 9 to be exact. One thing, it need 5 shims.
No, the way this is made, this is good design.
Oh no, the hood's pretty tall.
I had the hood open before.
Be close. Push it back a little bit.
No, we can't. Now with all the scrap here.
They're easy enough. Hopefully it just fits perfect.
Will not happen. It's gonna be so far off.
We don't know how many shims it needs because the fenders and everything's just fitting way different than it was. But here's the first test to see. I want to put something on here so we don't scratch it in case it does rub.
Look at your back.
Sitting super high. Looks like it's gonna fit weird right now. I don't know.
Yeah, these hoods are weird.
Yeah, it's like it's will snap back or something.
This needs to be. What the fuck clip needs to be moved?
Yeah, how it moves on those hinges is super weird.
Yeah.
It looks like it's scraping nowhere.
No, it's just.
And the only place it gets close is in the front here.
I think I got a cheat sheet on how to adjust a hood on this. If you put shims here, it's going to roll the hood up, make the back go down.
Front come up.
Put shims there, the front goes up and the back goes down.
If you put them on these top ones, it makes the back go down?
Yes, because it makes the hood go up, front.
Yeah.
So when you loosen those up and put 4 shims on each side at least, let's see what it does.
What are you doing in the truck there?
The front end needs to go over. The front end needs to go that way. Loosen your set. Just top.
Bring her down. It's crazy how this is so high still. This thing is going to be interesting. Add one more.
No, I'm going to try something else.
Oh, what'd you do there? Just loosen them and let it tweak itself?
Yeah, the hood went down. These hoods.
I'm not gonna want to take this thing back off.
That's why I didn't want to take the hood off to begin with.
A little of shims. 5 shims. 5 on this side, 4 over here. Pretty sure that's the opposite of what it was before, but
There was 5 over there before, it's 5 over here now.
it's just taking a little bit of finessing. A little bit of tweaking here and there. Gap between the fender and the hood there. Try and basically make the gap with the cowl tight. Probably doesn't help that it's different colors and stuff either. I don't know. Should have maybe used the same core support.
Oh no.
It does seem wider in the front than it needs to be. That's for sure. That gap's just crazy.
These hoods don't fit quite right.
Six shims up in there.
Someone's touching right there, and I didn't do anything right there. That's factory. Factory.
Well, I might just make this a short little video and see if anybody has tips on how to get this look right. Because I don't know how long we've been out here. It's been like 2 hours messing with this hood, I think. She just don't want to go where she's supposed to be. When you get to a car show, you're just going to have to open the hood because it looks good open. So what's next after the hood?
All the inside. Seam seal everything. Undercoat. Color match it. Paint on the inside. Dash. Doors.
You gonna put carbon in someday?
And put it all back together. Yeah?
You don't have that trim piece though.
Don't need it.
How are you gonna make the carpet in?
Some of these trucks didn't have that trim piece. I think. They sell them. I got one. Actually, that crew cab's got both of them.
Crew cab? What crew cab?